Welcome! In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off dark mode on Facebook using your PC. If you prefer the classic light theme, this guide will help you switch back in no time. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Facebook's website at www.facebook.com. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Display and Accessibility. This section contains settings that allow you to adjust how Facebook appears on your screen. Now, locate the dark mode option under this menu. You'll see three choices: on, off, and automatic. To disable dark mode, simply click off. The change will take effect immediately, and your Facebook interface will return to its default light theme. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode on Facebook. Whether it's for better visibility or just a preference for the lighter look, switching is quick and easy. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance. Stay tuned for more tutorials.